Welcome back to the Pocket Door Workshop. Today we're going to take a look at a cool system that we've got. This one is what we call our multi-pass system. So you can have multiple doors pocketing into one pocket, or if you have a converging pair, they can pocket in on both ends. But basically you can pull the first door, it's going to bring it out and grab the next door. This one has 3 doors in it, and then it's going to have soft close against the closing jamb. We've got an M-Tech handle in here, and the cool thing is how this hardware has enough strength to actually push in that handle as well. Very cool. So we've got our blackout track up at the head, black anodized track. This system will hold up to a 200-pound door or a 350-pound door with soft close, soft open. And we can do these from as small as 19-inch wide doors and up. 2 doors, 3 doors, 4 doors, depending on how wide of a wall thickness you're gonna have here, we can stack these up. There's no track that has to go across the floor. We still use our T floor guide in the pocket, and then it has a U guide that mounts on each door. It's an aluminum extrusion that grabs each door as they pull them out. Really cool setup here that's gonna let you pocket multiple doors into one pocket. This is the HDPD multi-pass kit with the CS tracking hardware and the black anodized. If this is something that you're interested in, let us know. We can do custom orders on this. Basically any size door, any size wall thicknesses, any application really. Hit us up and we'll see you on the next one.